Ever found yourself needing to get in touch with Lloyds Bank but your app isn't playing ball? Maybe your phone's out of juice, you've switched devices, or you simply prefer not to use the app for every little thing. Whatever the reason, you're not alone. It can be a bit frustrating when the most obvious route is temporarily blocked. But don't worry, there are still ways to connect and get the help you need. Think about it. In today's digital world, we often rely heavily on apps for everything, from checking our balance to making payments. But what happens when that digital gateway isn't accessible? It's like finding your usual door locked, and you're wondering if there's a secret window or another entrance you've overlooked. Well, when it comes to Lloyds Bank, there are indeed alternative ways to chat with them without needing to open their mobile application. One of the most straightforward methods is through their website. Yes, the good old-fashioned web browser can still be your friend. Head over to the Lloyds Bank official website. Once you're there, navigate to the Contact Us section. This is usually found at the bottom of the home page or within the Help or Support pages. On this page, you should find a variety of contact options, and quite often, a web chat feature is available. This web chat allows you to type your queries and receive real-time responses from a Lloyds Bank representative, just like you would within the app. You'll likely need to go through a brief identification process to ensure your security, but once that's done, you can discuss your banking needs directly. This is a particularly useful option if you're already using a computer or tablet and don't want to switch to your phone or deal with app-related issues. Another avenue to explore is social media. Many large organizations, including Lloyds Bank, have a presence on platforms like Twitter and Facebook. While these platforms might not be the primary channel for in-depth conversations about sensitive account information, they can be a quick way to ask general queries or seek guidance on how to get more direct support. Look for Lloyds Bank's official social media accounts, usually identifiable by a blue verified badge. You can send them a direct message outlining your query. Keep in mind that response times can vary, and for security reasons, they will likely direct you to a more secure channel for discussing specific account details. Beyond the digital realm, let's not forget the power of a good old-fashioned phone call. Lloyds Bank has a dedicated customer service phone number, which you can find on their website or on any official correspondence you might have received from them. While it's not exactly chatting in the text-based sense, it's a direct way to speak to a representative who can assist you with your inquiries. Be prepared for potential wait times, especially during peak hours, but this can be a reliable option if you prefer verbal communication or if your issue requires more detailed explanation. Finally, although it's not a direct chat, consider visiting a local Lloyds Bank branch. Speaking to a bank employee in person can be incredibly helpful, especially for more complex issues or if you prefer a face-to-face interaction. You can ask your questions directly and receive immediate assistance. Use the branch locator tool on the Lloyds Bank website to find the nearest branch and their opening hours. So, the next time you find yourself needing to connect with Lloyds Bank and the app isn't an option, remember these alternatives: their website's chat feature, their social media channels for general inquiries, their customer service phone line for direct conversations, and even a visit to your local branch for in-person support. You're not limited to just one way to get in touch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.